Once upon a time, in a small town called Sunnyvale, there was a girl named Anna. Anna was kind and gentle. She lived in a small house with her mother and her little brother. Every morning, Anna walked to her school. Her town was full of kind people and bright colors. The streets were clean, and the sun always shone on the roofs of the small houses. Anna liked to see people smile and to hear simple greetings. It was a good day in Sunnyvale. One day after school, Anna went to the park. The park had many green trees and a small lake. Many children played near the water, and some parents watched them with happy eyes. Anna sat on a bench and looked at the blue sky. Suddenly, she saw a young man who walked slowly on the path. His name was Tom. Tom was new in town. He had kind eyes and a gentle smile. He did not know many people, but he was curious to learn. Anna and Tom looked at each other, and they both felt a warm feeling in their hearts. Tom went to the ice cream shop near the town square. He did not know which flavor to choose. At the same time, Anna was near the shop, and she also did not know which flavor to choose. They both ordered a small ice cream cone. Anna chose vanilla, and Tom chose chocolate. They sat at a table outside the shop. They talked about the beautiful day, the soft wind, and the bright sun. Their words were simple, but they marked the beginning of a new friendship. Anna said, "Hello, my name is Anna." Tom replied, "Hello, Anna. My name is Tom." They smiled at each other, and the day was full of promise and light. Days went by, and Anna and Tom met many times in the park. They walked together and sat on the same old bench. They talked about small things in their lives. They both loved music, nature, and kind people. Tom told Anna that he came from another city because he wanted a peaceful life. Anna told Tom about her family and her dream of being a teacher. She dreamed of helping the children of Sunnyvale learn and grow. They laughed often and shared many simple, happy moments. In Sunnyvale, the soft light and gentle smiles brought warm feelings to everyone. Anna and Tom were happy together. One afternoon, while Anna and Tom were walking on a road in town, they met a difficult moment. They saw a stranger who looked lost. The stranger looked sad and had tired eyes. He did not speak much. His eyes were full of pain. The stranger walked slowly, as if he was very alone. Anna and Tom felt a strong need to help him. They decided to walk closer. The stranger sat on a bench in the park. Anna went to him and said, "Are you okay? May I help you?" The man looked at Anna and nodded. Soon Tom joined Anna. The three of them sat together and talked quietly. After a while, the stranger said, "I am lost. I do not know my way. I need help. I feel cold." Anna and Tom felt their hearts grow bigger. They helped the stranger to a small hotel in town. In the hotel, they gave him a warm cup of tea and a plate of bread. Anna smiled and said, "We are here for you." The stranger felt hope and calm in their kind presence. In Sunnyvale, even in hard times, kind people help each other. After that day, Anna and Tom began to feel a strong bond with each other. They saw that together, they could help many people. They visited many neighbors who needed love and care. They helped an old man who had a broken leg, a woman who was sick, and even a small child who lost his favorite toy. Every time they worked together, they also laughed together. Their bond grew stronger as they shared these moments. Although they were young, they had a deep feeling of love and a strong desire to help others. The people of Sunnyvale began to smile more, and the heart of the town grew warm like a big family. Then, one day, a big storm came to Sunnyvale. The sky turned very dark and the wind blew very hard. Many people felt scared as the tree branches hit the windows and the rain fell hard on the small houses. Anna and Tom took refuge in a small community hall where many neighbors had gathered. The storm lasted for many hours. Inside the hall, everyone sat together and spoke quietly to calm their fear. The room was full of hope because of the simple talk and kind words shared by everyone. When the storm ended, the town was wet and a little broken. Many houses had small problems after the storm. Anna and Tom joined many other people to help clean up the town. Anna wiped water from the windows and cleaned the streets. Tom helped to repair a broken shop door. They worked on many small tasks that made a big difference. In this time of trouble, their love and courage grew even more. As the days passed after the storm, the town slowly recovered. People repaired their houses and healed their hearts. Anna and Tom continued to work hard and show their care for others. They often walked together and talked about the future. One warm evening, Anna softly said, "I want to help my town." Tom replied, "I want to change people's lives." They both knew that life was not always easy, but love is like a strong light in the dark. One day, when the sun was bright and the sky was blue, Tom took Anna to a beautiful park. He gave her a small red flower. Looking into her eyes, he said, "Anna, I like you. I like your smile and your kind heart." Anna felt her heart beat fast. She looked at Tom and said, "Tom, I like you too." They hugged each other tightly. In that moment, their world was full of simple joys and a deep, strong love. However, life is not always simple. A new problem came when Tom had to decide about his future. One day, Tom received a letter from another city. The letter said that he could work in a big company and that he must leave Sunnyvale. Tom looked into Anna's eyes, and his eyes filled with sadness. He loved the town and he loved Anna, but he also wanted a new opportunity. Anna was sad, too. She thought, "I do not want Tom to leave. I want him to stay with me." Yet, she also remembered the kind work they had done together in the town. In a soft voice, she said, "Tom, I cannot stop you from following your dream." Tom hugged Anna and said, "I love you so much. I will always remember you and our town. I will come back soon." The decision was very hard. Soon, Tom left Sunnyvale to begin his work in the big company. On the day Tom left, Anna felt a big emptiness in her heart. The town seemed to lose a bit of its light. But Anna continued to work to help her neighbors, and she kept the memory of Tom safe in her heart. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Anna walked on the same streets every day, but now she often thought about Tom. She missed his warm smile, his kind words, and the way he helped everyone. Even on tough days when it was hard to smile, Anna remembered the work of love that she and Tom had done together. The people in the town also remembered Tom. They talked about his kindness and the help he gave after the storm. Anna felt that strong bond from Tom remain in the community. Every time she looked at the red flower that Tom once gave her, she remembered his eyes that shone with hope. One sunny day, many months later, Anna was walking in the park when she saw a man standing near a bench wearing a blue hat. She stopped and looked carefully. Was this man Tom? The man had kind eyes, and in his smile she saw a memory of Tom. Slowly she walked to him. "Hello," she said in a soft voice. The man replied in a friendly tone. "Hello, Anna." It was Tom. He had come back to Sunnyvale. He looked a little tired, but his smile was warm and true. He said, "I am back because I miss my town, and I miss you." Anna was very happy. The people of Sunnyvale were happy too, because the love in their town grew again. Tom explained that he had finished his work and that he had learned many things in his time away. However, his heart had always been in Sunnyvale. Anna listened with a warm heart and said, "Welcome back, Tom. I am happy to see you." After the reunion, Anna and Tom spent many days together. They talked about the time they had spent apart. Tom said, "I thought of you every day. I thought of your eyes and your kind words." Anna said, "I also thought of you. I kept our red flower as a symbol of our love." They both laughed and cried a little as they remembered the hard days. They learned that love sometimes has many challenges but grows strong when two hearts meet with honesty and care. Sunnyvale became a place of love and hope again. Its people learned that hard times can make the heart strong. They often spoke about the gentle love of Anna and Tom, and about how love is a light in dark days. The beautiful story of Anna and Tom shows us that life is full of good days and hard days. We meet people, and we share moments of joy and pain. In Sunnyvale, Anna and Tom worked together to help their neighbors. They helped many people recover from the storm and helped many hearts to heal. Their love grew slowly like a small flower. The flower is red, like the one Tom first gave to Anna. It is a symbol of a promise to care for one another. The promise is small, but it is true. Through the hard days, when Tom had to leave and when the town was in trouble, their love grew strong. They did not forget each other. They learned to hope and to smile again. Now, in the soft light of a new morning, Anna and Tom look up at the sky and at the town of Sunnyvale. The town is full of warm memories, and the people work together with love in the air. Anna and Tom walk hand in hand on the clean streets. They say that every street holds a small story, and that every face is full of hope. At the end of each day, they sit on a bench and watch the sunset. The red flower, once a small gift, is now a strong memory of the bond that love can create. They know that they will always be part of this town, and that love is a light that does not fade. It is a promise for a new start, and it is a story that will be told in every smile and every kind word in Sunnyvale.